You're going to stop hiring Instagram DM setters and you're going to watch this video for the full thing. Now, the issue with most DM setters is they're lazy. You have to pay them commission. It just depends on the mood, right? So they fall off. So what we're going to go is we're going to set up an AI DM setter. I'm actually going to show you how easy and how fast it is to set up your AI DM setter. So let's get one of my accounts logged in. And I'm going to set it up from scratch within the next 5 minutes. A very basic, easy version for you to understand. Now, for example, I already put in the basics, but let's start from scratch just so I can show you how easy it is to set it up for yourself, or you can have my team set it up for you from the first link in the bio or description. But let's get everything started from scratch here. I'm also going to go over the whole UI just so you have a clear understanding of essentially what is able to be done here. So here's inbox. You're going to see all the combos coming in, right? In the workflows, here's where we're going to be setting up the full workflow. Integrations is where we're going to connect all your accounts, right? This is an old account we used for an old campaign we had. But whatever. We have automated follow-ups too. You can test your AI here too. But anyways, let's get a simple version set up. Data sources. What we want to do, we're going to go quickly to ChatGPT and just have ChatGPT do a basic thing. For example, SaaS and we work with creators that get inbounds and replace their current DM setter, and it costs a fraction of the cost. Write me a data source that I can train my AI with. Cool. So once we get this running, basically the good thing here is you can have unlimited Instagram connections, right? So maybe you're just trying to do this for your own personal account where you have a few inbounds every single day, or maybe you run outbound, right? And you want to connect it to like 20 accounts you're running outbound with and replace your current setter. That is both very doable. So once we have this, it's going to be structuring all the data source. So while that's still being done, we're going to go to advanced settings. We're going to use Kimi K2, time zone, etc. You know, no dashes, hashtags, almost being maximum 2 sentence. For this, we're just going to remove it for now because I'm starting from scratch just to show you how easy it is to set up. Usually every client takes around 3 to 4 hours to set up properly, but for the simplicity of this video, we're going to keep it super simple. Now in the Instagram DMs, we're going to basically go over, and I want to pull up a doc with my scripts so we can show you how to do this live. We're going to do a whole new thing, whole different flow. Like I said, I'm doing this all live. So I'm going to remove every single structure here, and I'll show you. This took me 20 minutes to set up, but we're going to do this all from scratch today. So the end goals can be different. So you can either collect phone number, you can send them a YouTube video, etc. But what we're doing for mine is just getting them booked into a demo call. So for example, we're going to put in a demo call here for save changes. We're going to go over to my Google Doc with all the information in my current variant while we're pitching people, which is, yo, I just cloned you, blah, blah, blah. This is an outbound campaign. Bang. Cool. So I press save this. Now I go back to data sources. Cool. Now start uploading, and then we're going to go test out the AI. Bang, bang. So you can see this can all be touched up. It's not ideal, but like I said, we are on a little time crunch. So, and we're going to show you how to do some qualifications on top of this. So let's go over this. So we finish uploading all of this. the more data you can provide and more sales assets you can do, it's going to work way better, which is what we do for our clients. We send them a whole onboarding doc with all sales assets, everything that they would need to basically see success and currently outperform their own DM setter or replace them overall. Objections. We don't need to go over that. Well, let's see. Cool. All right, should be good enough. So now we press save changes. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to workflow, Instagram DMs. We're going to do the flows, right? So we're going to do once lead replies, we will ask them a qualification question, which is how many inbound DMs they get per week and who is taking care of them. Then next question is, we're gonna just get them straight to a counter, be like, pitch a call to book for me to show a demo of them on a short call. If they have to send it, say that it is not connected to Instagram account and clear objections for them to book in. Cool. Now that I have the basic settings, let's go over and test the AI. See, this is a 6-minute, so far 6 minutes. Press here, Instagram DMs. Yeah, okay, let's see how it replies. We'll just like, shit, this is where we improve. So I pitched them, I just cloned you, handles every DM you get, replies instantly, and books people where you want them, calls, collabs, brand deals, whatever. Got a minute to see. It's like, okay, so we need to get rid of the exclamation mark. It handles every DM you get. Okay, cool. So what we need to do now is initial DMs, right? Replying to. Obviously, this is inbound, so it's total different compared to if it's inbound, but I'm going to show, broader market. So these are replying to, do not repeat it, but go off of this and continue convo. Cool. Save changes. Let's quickly recover this. Cool. Done. Now let's test the AI once again. So that's a short, send it over. Okay, so we're gonna obviously change the IC. But for the purpose of the video, so it's not 20, 30 minutes long, how many DMs are you getting per week? Sure. So you see how it like keeps it very casual. Obviously, maybe we can change up this, but how the AI handles those 50 DMs on random books, so for example, won't be free to demo on a quick call. When it works better for you, we'll do after. And we can do typos because the AI understands typos. Tuesday through Thursday after. Let's do Wednesday. Okay, so we can change this. But yeah, if they sent it together here would have been good, but it also qualifies people, etc. What we can also do is just train it to say, within 18 hours of the current time, right? but that's the basic. We can also collect phone numbers. If we want, we can just like, cool, send me over your phone number. This is obviously, for right now, we're doing this for a few clients right now, and we can collect their phone numbers and qualify them if they work at 9 to 5, etc. We can also send sales lessons like YouTube videos, and after they watch the YouTube video, we can send them a calendar link or collect their phone number. And once they book in too, we can continue nurturing, right? So in the integrations, I can say, once leaders booked in, send them this video. For example, this video you're watching right now, right? So we can do that. It's super easy to do. So if you have me or someone from my team to set this up for you, feel free to book a call down in the first link below, and let's get something started for you.